Today we're taking a look at AST Suspension's adjustable lowering spring kit for the F97 BMW X3 M and F98 X4 M. Also referred to as the ALS Kit, AST designed this kit with application-specific spring and damping rates for the F97 X3 M platform, and it can be found using the part number AST ALS-21-015. This system provides the perfect solution for the enthusiast that's looking to combine visual aesthetics with adjustable ride performance. Starting at the front end, the ALS kit offers an adjustment range of 0 to 40 millimeters, with the rear offering up to 35 millimeters, allowing your technician to tune the ride height to the client's preference during installation. Installation is straightforward. Disassembly follows the standard BMW procedure, and your technician simply replaces the OEM equipment with AST's spring, bump stops, and adjustable collar. The premium hardware and application-specific design provide F97 owners with an affordable alternative to a full coilover setup that integrates seamlessly with the OEM electronic damper functionality equipped on the X3 M. At the rear, the main difference in the process is access, gained through the trunk, where factory components are removed to reach the upper shock mount hardware. Same as before, the OEM components come out, AST hardware is installed, and everything is reassembled before the finishing install underneath. Once installed, the customer can make additional height adjustments without needing a lift. With the standard floor jack, the customer can decompress the spring and fine-tune the ride height with the AST-provided tool. AST Suspension engineered this system to work seamlessly with BMW's factory-installed electronic adjustable dampers. All of the X3M's drive modes still function as intended, and the dampers respond normally, with no warning lights introduced. Everything integrates cleanly with the factory electronics, providing premium adjustability with no compromises. The final result after installing AST Suspension's ALS kit on the BMW X3 M provides a noticeable change in ride height, lending to a more aggressive stance with minor modifications. AST Suspension manufactures adjustable lowering spring sets for more than 24 applications, offering a lifetime warranty and giving your customers peace of mind every time they hit the road. To learn more about availability on AST adjustable lowering spring kits for your application, contact your Turn 14 distribution representative or search AST ALS on turn14.com.